Hello there. Some time ago, I started searching through Japanese coins. I got several rolls of them, and I've gone through the 1 yen and the 5 yen coins. I still haven't gone through the 10 yen coins. There's still two bundles there, and I'll do a future video showing what I get from those. So what I've done though is I have taken the coins that I wanted to keep to fill gaps in my collection, and I put them in the two by twos. I do recommend using the two by twos. The two by twos are great things to have, and do a pretty good job protecting your coins. What I do recommend, of course, is that you use the two by twos that do not have the glue in them. You use staples, but of course use pliers to flatten the staples to get them nice and smooth. I also recommend for a stapler one of these, the handheld stapler, just like something like this. They're better than the desktop staplers. I have found that if you use the desktop staplers, then they often will get bent and won't fit properly. They won't penetrate all the way through the cardboard, and then I have to use one of these to take the staple out and try again. So that's what I've been using. Now, in searching the rolls, of course, as I say, I've put all the ones that I wanted to keep and put them into two by twos. I don't use a coin book to store my coins. As I say, I like to keep them all in the two by twos. A few noteworthy years here. I got 2000, 2001, and 2002 of the 5 yen coins. These coins are, excuse me, these coins are particularly rare, especially this one here, the 2002. It is, and it's worth about 1,000 yen at the current price of Japanese coins, and it is as you can see there, it is an MS64 condition. So great. So at least that's what I figure the condition that it's in. And so 1,000 yen, by the way, is about $8 American. You'll notice the date there next to it. I have written H14. H in this case is for the Japanese calendar Heisei. Japanese calendar is a little bit different from the calendar used in Christian countries. This, for example, 2002 is known as the 14th year of Emperor Heisei. That's what that is. For more information about that, of course, you could just type into Google Japan's calendar, and you can learn all about how it works and what year is what. For the values, I use this book here. Of course, you can just use these big books here. They also have the values of the Japanese coins in American dollars. Very useful books. They are a bit expensive, and they are also very big. We refer to these often as the phone book. Now, some of you might be too young to remember phone book, but if you live in a big city like New York City or maybe Toronto in Canada, you would have had a phone book, a list of all the phone numbers in the city, and it would have been like a big book. And so we call these ones the phone book. But this book, it gives you a little more detail in Japanese. It gives the value in yen. This book, unfortunately, is in Japanese only. There is no book like this written in English. Perhaps sometime when my Japanese gets a little bit better, maybe I will write a translation of this catalog. Though I don't know how many of them I would sell. So going through rolls of coins in Japan is not really a very economical thing to do. As well, I bought 17,000 yen worth in coins. That's around 140 American dollars. I also had to pay a fee. There's the fee. I paid a fee, 2,640 yen I had to pay for this service as well. And when I bring the coins back that I don't want, they're going to charge me another about the same amount for them to take the coins back that I don't want. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just keeping the coins and spending them little by little over the next year or so, and get rid of them that way. So it was fun, though. This is something worth doing maybe once a year whenever you have some time, like during a holiday or something like that. But it's not something that I can do constantly. Not like some of the guys online, like Rob Finds Treasure or Half Dollar Make You Holler. They search through coins every week. That's really not a viable option in Japan, which is a pity, but that's the way it is. So, if you have any questions, of course, write down in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. And in the future, I'll have another video then to let you know what I found in the rolls of 10 yen coins. So, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.